Hey, what's up everyone? Joe back. Alright, I'm here with another unboxing video. So, I got 12 acres, just over 12 acres, and like I got a lot, doing the tractors, all that stuff, but I'm gonna do a boxing of a push mower. Because up by the house, can't really use anything but a push mower, but I'll show you a little bit of the mowing, so. Yeah, see, beautiful land, but one of the things that sucks about it is well, we're still getting set up here, so we're burning trash and stuff right now, and then we cleared about 5 acres, so, well, about 3 acres, and we're burning it here and there and everything, but I'm going to do an unboxing of this push mower, do a review. So this is a wide discharge push mower. It's gonna be the Yard Machines 2-year warranty. It says thick grass, flat terrain, up to 1.5 acres. That's what they want you to use it on. But of course, right now I'm just gonna mow a strip to the burn pile till I get the other mower and stuff out here, or the tractor with the bush hog. But so this is the actual, it's a side discharge push mower, 20 inches. So it's Yard Machines. Let's go to work. 125cc Briggs and Stratton. So a friend of mine has the same mower, says it's a real good mower. You get it for under 200 bucks. So and I wasn't wanting to spend more than like 200 bucks. So I'm gonna go ahead and mow a strip, or maybe a couple strips to go back and forth to the burn pit. So I will be back and I'll show you what the strip looks like. See y'all in a sec. Alright, before I actually start mowing, I'm gonna show you what it looks like in the box and set up. So here's in the box. Really, real shiny and new. Shit. Well, who knows? Might work, might not. We're definitely gonna put it to a test. So, yeah, big test. See you in a sec. All right, before I start the video, show me mow a couple times and just everything. So, we got it all set up, nice and nice, pretty. It's all pretty, everything. So we're gonna be testing this new. I don't know if how new it is. I've never used it before, but it's True Fuel. So it's this one's the 4-cycle. They have a 2-cycle and a 4-cycle. This one's for basically anything that's a 4-cycle engine, like generator, some lawnmower, some of the weed whackers and stuff are 4-cycle. Some are 2-cycle, some are 4-cycle. Oh, you get the point. So it's 4-cycle engine fuel, ethanol free, excellent long-term storage. It's called True Fuel. And this is cool. I wanted to show you all this. I've never seen this before, but in the packaging they sent a Troy-built MTD premium 4-cycle oil, and it's in a bag. That was interesting. Alright, well, let me get this all put in, and I'll set you up. You see me mow a couple stripes and then give you the final review. Alright, y'all, so I got everything set up. We're gonna mow a couple strips, test it out, see how it goes. I'm not gonna videotape me mowing back and forth the whole bunch. I'm just gonna do one quick strip there and back, and then I'll pause it, mow a little bit more, show you what it looked like. Basically, this is the before, and I'll show you what it looked like in the after, and let you know how good it mowed. So I'm gonna crank it up and get ready to go. Oh, FYI, one of those True Fuel cans fills up the whole thing. Wow, so definitely getting my money for a little $200 mower. Look at that. So mow a couple more strips. So far I'm giving it 5 out of 5, but you know, we'll see how long it lasts. I'm not mowing the whole 12 acres with it. Yeah, you got me fucked up. I messed up. But alright, I'll let you know. Alright, y'all, so it's not the best mower in the world, but hey, for 200 bucks, it cuts grass. That's all I care about. If it cuts, don't cost me an arm and a leg, maybe my right testicle, I'm good. So, good job, Yard Machines. Definitely worth the money, worth the under 200 bucks. So, y'all have any questions, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. I do a bunch of reviews and a bunch of other type of videos. Some funny, some not. Do it yourself, but I like when y'all subscribe, like, share. Tell me what you think. If I get a bunch of likes, I'll mow the whole damn 12 acres with it. So, alright, talk to y'all later. Bye.